What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video gonna be a review on the Greenworks pressure washer from Amazon. Yes, Amazon is the go-to place to get everything. I mean, you can order literally anything from Amazon. Here is the Greenworks pressure washer. This is the exact one I have, the 1600 psi. They do have many other options for you guys with the big pockets out there. And it comes with everything in this photo, but you will need to buy a hose to connect to your house. They got options for that as well. It's 18% off right now as well. Here's mine. Alright, first impression on this thing is pretty good. Pressure is pretty good, but the hose that's connected to the sprayer is pretty short. I had to walk back and grab it right there. It's pretty annoying when you're washing the car, but I mean, it gotta be better than using a regular hose pipe. Yeah, wash it. If y'all wash your car, make sure y'all wash it from top to the bottom. I'm gonna let y'all see the ending result once I'm done. I was really rushing because I had to go and get my son from the bus stop, so and my phone went dead, so you guys probably not gonna see the other part. But if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as it does help me grow. So I mean, guys, I had to drag the thing all the way to the other side of the car. Alright, guys, here's the result of what your Greenworks pressure washer can do. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching.